This is just a quick video to help students use the website that they need for this discussion per capita. Now, this discussion looks like it's really long, but we're really just breaking down the ideas into lots of little parts so it's not as long as it looks. So first, you might want to download the instructions into this Word document just to make it easier to do your draft of writing and have the spell check that's available in Word. But please, when you do your post, do a reply to the post and copy and paste this information in there. Don't open it as a file so your teacher and your classmates don't have to open a bunch of files. All right, we also provide a couple of additional videos. This is very similar to the example in section 3 and also some of the examples in section 4. And then you see the instructions again down here. I wanted to show this website. Now, it could change in between us creating this assignment and you clicking on that website link. You can also click on that link through the Word document by holding Control and then clicking on the link. Either way, hopefully the website looks like this or similar enough to this that this video makes sense. So the first thing we want you to do in this project is find out how many people are employed in a career occupation of your interest. And we're going to use this website again later. So be thinking about what is your future employment goal? Why are you going to school at Ivy Tech? What are you hoping that that leads to? Right, well, we want to narrow down what area your career might be in. So first use this drop down to choose one of these broad areas. So suppose I want to go into healthcare support. And then it will give me a detailed list of what it considers healthcare support. If you can't find what you're looking for there, you might have to go back to those broader categories. But let's say I want to be a nursing assistant. Okay, we also want you to make sure that the state box is checked. And we want to go ahead and display 15 records. And when I click on search, it will give me the result for nursing assistants employment. So this first table are national, that would be United States, national estimates for nursing assistants. And for this discussion, we are interested in this number right here. Apparently there's over 1 million people employed in nursing assistant type careers. So there you go. That's how you find your answer for part A, or part of your answer for part A. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that they are giving us the results for the 15 states that have the most people employed in whatever occupation you clicked on. And we want you for part 3, I think it actually is, to pick one of these values to work with. Indiana just happens to be on this list. You don't have to pick Indiana, though. You could pick from any of these states. You will also, for part 3, you'll need to know the population of the state that you're going to work with. For that, just use any old website that's reputable to get that state's population. So as I said, this looks really long, but some of these are very simple step by step. If you do need any additional help, we have great tutors available who can help you. Or ask your teacher, or post your rough draft and see if your classmates can help you. All right, so I hope you are successful in completing this discussion board.